Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gorgeous Beauty. And as you can see this beautiful girl with us today because I'm gonna do a date makeup look on her. So I hope you all like it and you can just go around and binge walk or to any restaurant or to any date, perfect date or any night out. So you can try out this look. So let's start, and today I'm gonna do a very nude look on her. So I'm just gonna start and see how it comes out. So I'm gonna start with this Minimize Pores Primers from Smashbox, as it reduces the pores and make your skin flawless. So basically this is the first step. We are already done with the cleansing, toning, moisturizing. These are for basically oily skin tones and normal skin tones. She has a little oily skin. So I'm using this primer. It is a mattifying primer basically. Now I'll be also applying this Master Prime mattifying primer to give it a dewy look. So I'm just gonna take a little on my hands. So now we'll be starting with the foundation, and I am using this Makeup Studio Professional Makeup Face It in the color beige. I'm gonna mix two shades. First I'm gonna and I'm using this Clinique Even Better in the shade Sea and Ivory. This is the product. I'm taking a foundation brush to apply all over her face. Now I'm just gonna blend it all over. I'm just covering her a little blemishes that she has. I'm taking this Huda Beauty loose powder, and I'm just gonna start baking. She doesn't have dark circles, so that's why I used concealer first. I'm just gonna bake. Huda Beauty has amazing amount of product. Which of these? This one is my favorite out of all. As you can see, I'm literally applying over the top because I'm gonna do eyes and dust it off later, so that whatever products come out, we're gonna dust it off after doing the eyes. And for contouring, I'll be using the powder contour, and this is the contour from Hoola Benefit Cosmetics. I'm just gonna contour. I am doing powder contour because I don't want a very creamy look, as it may get sweaty. And for eyes, I am using this nude palette from Huda Beauty. As she is wearing a black dress, I am gonna give her a really warm and a brown look. So I'm using the shade Raw. I'm using the shade Raw and will be blending it with Teddy. Now I'm gonna blend it with the Teddy shade. These are very neutral color as the name is. So I'm just gonna give her a nice sleek liner. And for liner I'm using this L'Oreal Gel Intense liner in the shade Profound Black. And I'm just gonna give her a nice wing, but sleek wing. Now her eyes is done, as you can see. Now I'm gonna just apply a little eyeshadow on her under eye just to give it a look, and I'm using the same color Raw from the eyeshadow palette Huda Beauty. She has great lashes, so I'm not gonna touch her lashes. So if you wanna just highlight your lashes, you can use any lash. I'm not gonna use the fake lashes, because she has amazing lashes and you don't require it for date. But if you want, again, you can apply it. So I'm just gonna remove the powder that we applied earlier. As you can see, all the dust of the eyeshadows has been worn out. You can just blend your face with all the makeup. She has really nice brows, so I'm just gonna brush them and fill in from starting. That's it. And basically for brows, I'm using this Brow Zincs from Benefit Cosmetics. This is in the shade 4. Just gonna fill the star. Now for the blush, we are gonna use this Faces Canada Ultim Pro Face Palette, and this has all the contour, highlighter and the blusher. And I'm just going to use the blusher on the apple of the cheeks. I'll do on the nose because I really like it on the nose and on the chin. And I am using this blushing hearts from the from Makeup Revolution, and it also has blush highlighter. It gives you a very nice and a peachy and a pinkish glow. And for the highlighter part, it also has this highlighter. I'm just gonna use this highlighter. This is again very subtle look, so I am again telling you, we are not going to apply a lot of products. we are almost done, and we're just gonna do the lips and then we are done. For lips, I'm using this Kiko Milano lipstick, and I will let you know that what it is called. You can get it from Nykaa. It has a gloss and a matte lipstick.
Complete.
As you can see, we're giving a very subtle pink look to her. I'm using this Faces Canada Ultim Pro lipstick. This is the shade Nearly Nude. Now we're gonna fix the makeup with this MAC Prep and Prime. Now I'm using this ColourPop Color Dust and just setting a little highlighter.
So folks, this was the whole date look, and if you loved this look, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel Gorgeous Foodie, and press the bell icon for more updates, and keep loving the channel. Thank you and see you soon.